So as you can see, I've ground back the weld and I'm just sort of grinding in the form. And instead of using that face of the grinder, which people normally do, you've got this lovely flat area here, so I just turn the grinder upside down and I can actually start being quite controlled with the grinder, and I'm actually able to put in these lovely feathered lines with this edge to give you this sort of lovely tool mark that Nick's put in to the fur. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go in, keep working this in, and actually you see these wavy bits of fur, I'm just going to bring them in a lot sharper. And if you have a look here, there are these two little areas where I need to fill up with more material. So I'm just going to stick a weld in there, and that's going to give me that form. It's going to give me that raised form to then sort of tuck all of this in so that the weld then can completely disappear. And I'm going to give it a wire brush so you can't see any of the rainbow effect, and then hopefully you won't be able to see it at all.